Morning. I am Aurora Payanayong, married with two daughters, Maureen 23 and Kim 11, and grandson Jirel, who is 5 years old. I was a teacher in public high school in National Capital Regional Department of Education back home for 8 years. I came to Canada October 18, 2007, turning 8 years here now. Worked under the Giving Caregiver program, and I completed the program in 2010. I had a hard time in applying my open visa and permanent residency application. First, our original application only included my husband, me, and him, my youngest daughter. Maureen and Jirel were not included due to some family problems, and she doesn't want to come here in Canada. After 2 years, we decided to add mother and son, which is Maureen and Jirel. Maureen encouraged her to come here, and I inquired for the possibility, praying that CIC would allow them. And the officer said yes. And right away, gave their requirements. Impossible became possible. To God, nothing is impossible, right? Amen. While waiting, it took 5 years before we got approved as permanent residents. Those years of waiting were so hard for me. I cried, got so homesick, you know that. Sometimes hopeless, stubborn at times, and we're always upset. And I'm always upset whenever I heard of families coming, and I felt bad. In those 7 years of being away from my loved ones, one day I said, if my PR won't come this year by 2016, I will go back home for good. I just go back, and I always depressed, especially during holidays like Christmas. Through God's grace and blessings, my mindset changed. God gave me a supernatural divine power, changed my heart. An indescribable joy, an excitement came over me. God's trustworthy companion. We walk together through prayer. He takes my fears away, and I am assured that He will always be with me, as Joshua 1:9 said. He will never leave me nor forsake me, and He will control in everything. In January 12, 2015, while I was in the train, I asked God, Lord, show me a miracle today. Coming home from work that day, I received an email from CIC Vegreville stating that we are granted, finally. That's a miracle in our lives. 5 days before their scheduled flight, and the visa is not yet with them. At 10 p.m. that day, I received a call from a named anonymous officer in Canadian Embassy, Manila, saying that their visa is ready for pick-up. Hang up without giving me a reference number or any appointment on that time. My husband went home to embassy to pick up. That was March 23. Wasn't allowed to come in at all. Manny, a reserve Philippine Army, happened to talk to a soldier in the Canadian Embassy. He was God sent because he brought my husband inside, talked to the officer, and explained his situation, and visa was released. Wow, no appointment, no reference number. Amazing is our God. March 25, 2016, my family finally came to Canada. And in behalf of my family, I thank God for His faithfulness, and we believe that our God moves in mysterious ways. As Joshua 24:15, we claim, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord.